We leave tomorrow. It's 10 o'clock at night. I'm not packed. Still need to shower because I, for some reason, did a slick back. And I have so much homework that I need to get done. It's 4:30 in the morning and I'm late. My pants are still in the dryer right now, and same with my top. I don't have anything else to wear if this doesn't dry, and my mom was begging me to go. And I need like 10 minutes, so I'm trying to do like everything else and then get dressed class because she's probably gonna yell at me pretty soon. So we're at the airport. I have to write an essay. I should probably do that right now. It's a 0 soon. I have to watch a 30-second ad to do each citation. Like what? Mom, is this giving you flashbacks? Skibbity. Okay, boy. Okay, I'll watch my step, no worries. We're on our flight. It's so small. This isn't the one to Mexico though. We landed. What do you have to say to the vlog?
That was, we almost died.
This plane is so dang small. Okay, we're at our date after getting dropped off by this like shuttle thing.
I thought Chili's was looking good.
I know, I wanted to eat Chili's. We don't have a Chili's where we don't have a Chili's where we live. What the F? Now I feel like we're in like population 1 million. Yeah, I'm trying the viral triple dipper. I'm so excited. I'm really excited to try this. Okay, I didn't get the triple dipper, but I got fried mozzarella. I'm trying the mozzarella sticks.
Be real.
I will. Okay, here it is. Scoop it in. Then
What did I do?
this airport is so much cooler. We're almost there. We're like 20 minutes away, I think. I don't know. A lot more hillier than Cancun.
I was walking to like that wall kind of close.
We made it. Holy dang. It's really hot.
Holy.
Okay, we made it to the resort. We're trying this welcome drink. Let's try it. Okay.
Put the camera down. Put the camera down.
Okay, it's taking so long to check.
Guys,
Bro, the buffet's not ready for me. No. I didn't hear one. Ego machine though. Alright, that is it for my travel with me vlog. Go stay tuned for my actual Mexico vlog that'll be out probably a week after because I'm gonna try to get this out. Oh my god, I'm about. Bro, she's literally trying to be.